What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is your boy, GP Kennels, and right now I don't have any dogs, so I don't know what to call it. GP, no kennels, but yeah, happy Tuesday, the 25th, 2025. So y'all know I do my grow thing. Love to grow stuff, love to do stuff different, but I'm about to build a grow tent out of a mini fridge. I'm washing it out right now. Only reason I started without you guys is because I didn't think of it till later to start recording, but taking everything out of it, shelves, everything, door stuff. I took the back out of it already. I'm gonna take this top part out and washing it up right now. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for this fridge, mini fridge grow. I don't know if it can be done, but y'all stay tuned for the setup. Got to put LED lights in it, well, grow lights in it, and I got a variety of different seeds, some mysteries that I got from TikTok from this one guy that does his thing, but hopefully I got some autos and we go put them in the mini fridge. And I got some AK-47 OG coming. It should be here soon. So I probably don't start that till the summer, but I might start some just to start cloning off of it. But I'm gonna see what the mini fridge grow do. I have to inline it with the silver wrap so it can have reflection in the inside, but we gonna see what it do. Most definitely gonna see what it do. Old fridge I picked up off the side of a road, and I want to make a mini fridge, a mini grow out of it. So y'all stay tuned. It's your boy. I'm gonna probably change the channel, not to GP Kennel. So I don't know if I'm looking for a name right now. So y'all stay tuned for the mini fridge grow. And I have a whole bunch of these buckets that I'm doing outside this year for the garden that I have to pick up from work. I'm gonna cut them in half, not that little, but they're gonna be actually in half, so they'll be a little bit bigger. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's your boy. I think this is gonna be a grow channel, so grow with me and stay tuned for the updates. All right.